Here's my workbench, everything in a compact space. This large rack on the left holds tool drawers, parts, and computer equipment. The 3 monitors and keyboard are connected to a KVM. Large power supply and analysis equipment is above the bench at eye level. Bench gear includes a 7.5-digit DMM, 4 6.5-digit meters, and a source meter. Screwdrivers and pliers and a tool carousel. These shallow drawers have been very handy. Patch cables and such are on a slide-out rack. More tools and soldering supplies. The Heiko and JBC gear, along with the jeweler's third hands, make things easier. The Mantis Compact is great for precision work. The microscope is handy for close inspection, and the built-in fume extractor is great. A vise on an articulating arm for positioning the workpiece works well. That's a quick tour of my little workspace. I hope you enjoyed it.